Previously, I showed you how to create glass widgets using different applications, and I also showed you how to create that quick toggle panel. But today, we're not going to be using any widgets application. We are taking the widgets and folders already on your Samsung phone and making the whole home screen look like glass. Let's go. Hello there, welcome back to the Doitright Tech channel, where I take you through everything tech. And in today's video, we are creating a glass home screen using your normal Samsung widgets, folders, One UI 8.5 features, Gemini, and your Samsung gallery. This is mainly for people who like keeping most of their important applications, folders, and widgets all on one clean home screen page. We are going to be setting it up, turning the design into glass widgets, and then setting it up into a glass style home screen. So without wasting much time, let's dive right into the video. But don't forget to hit the like, smash the subscribe button to come back for more, and hit the bell notification icon so you don't miss out on any video that I post. On that note, let's go. So for me, I like to put the most important applications, folders, and widgets that I use often all on the very first page. So if you go to the second page, it's quite scanty because these are not things I use a lot. I use folders, I can make bigger like that, and swipe through also. These are all features that are inside your phone or your phone is capable of doing due to the good luck updates that came in the One UI 8.5. There are some that are still possible without the One UI 8.5. You need to try them to actually know. But if you want more insight on good luck, check the top right corner here. I have a dedicated playlist for that. So moving on. Once everything is set up on the screen this way, as you can see it right there, then we are good to go. So now that the layout is ready exactly how I want it, let's go ahead and choose a wallpaper that we'll put behind this and also in the glass effect. So when I come into my gallery, I have a set folder here that has got some wallpapers that I love. So we're just going to be taking this one and making it what we want. So we're going to tap on this and then set this as wallpaper and set for the home screen. Once we're inside here, we're going to apply an effect to it here, which is going to be the blur effect. So we're just going to swipe, and then as you can see there, that is the blur effect. So once the blur effect has been applied, and then we hit done. Now that the wallpaper is ready, let's prepare the real widgets and folders before we turn it all into glass. So the next thing we're going to do is make sure all these we see here are white. They have the light background. So we're going to hold down on this and then turn it into the light version. Do same here. And for folders, yes, they have a similar one. So you're going to hold down, hit on settings, and then here, you're going to come here and then select light and then that. The opacity, you want to keep it somewhere in the center and then hit save. We're going to do it for all. And there we have it, everything in a light background. Once the layout, the wallpaper, the widgets and folders are all in the right place, as you can see here, let's create their glass versions. So this is what we're going to do. Now we're going to take a screenshot of this like this, and then now we have a screenshot right there. Then the next thing we're going to do is jump into Gemini. So we're going to go into Gemini. If you don't have Gemini, just download it from the Play Store. So once we're in Gemini, we're now going to be tapping on the plus there and then tap photos and then select that one we selected, and you want to type this inside here. For this prompt, I'm going to be putting it inside the description box so you can copy it and paste it. So we're going to use this prompt. So we're going to use this exact prompt which says apply a premium 3D glass effect to this exact Samsung home screen. Keep the same wallpaper layout, make the widgets and folders look like realistic clear frosted glass with soft reflections. So this exact thing is what you're going to use. Then you're going to now start it. So if it produces it, if this matches what you want, you can save it. If not, you can change it. In this example, I like these, but I do not like this. So what you're going to do then is you're just going to hit on this to redo it. So once you've generated the exact one you want, you're now going to come here and then tap on these three dots here and then proceed to save it into your gallery. Now that Gemini has created the glass version, you need to turn that image into a wallpaper behind the real widgets. So let's get it done. So for me, this is something that I like. So what we're going to be doing now is trying to take away all the text that we can see here, all the icons we see here, and then keep a plain surface that now we can superimpose the original things over it. Follow me and I'll show you exactly how. So the next thing we're going to do is in gallery, which is where we are. We're going to now tap on the Samsung editor tool here, tap on it this way, and then we're going to come inside here. You're going to proceed to remove all the text you see and all the icons we see here to create a plain one. So this is what you're going to do. Now you're just going to circle parts of it like that, and then they're going to select like you see there. You proceed to do that for all of them. So you can see they are all being selected. And truth is, you can select only 15 items at a go. Once we're done selecting, in this example, all the text there, we're going to hit on erase. And then as you can see there, we have a plain background now. We're going to do same for all of these and even take out all these and their text underneath them until we get a very plain looking one. And this is going to be possible because once you're done with the first one, due to the One UI 8.5 update, you're now able to tap on keep editing to take the same image and continue the editing. So you want to proceed until you form this. So once we're done with everything, we should be having something like this. And this is just due to my setup on my home screen, exactly like this. And when we are done, we can now tap on save copy. And then a copy of that has now been saved, which looks exactly like this. So what we're going to do next, now we're going to apply this as the wallpaper like that. Home screen. So as you can see, everything laying in their places, we have everything looking like this, but we're not done. So we can hit on done. And this is how it's looking now, but just wait. Now that the glass wallpaper has been placed, the final step is removing the real backgrounds from all the widgets and folders, and everything will come to life. So this is what we're going to do. Now you're going to come here, hold down on this, and previously it was dark and now we've brought it into the light mode. So we're going to now come here and now change the background to off, then save it. So it's going to now look like this. We're going to come here also, do the same, so that we have the background being the glass thing that we created. Do same for this. It's going to look like that. And now also come here into the folders. And now what we're going to do is turn opacity all the way down and save. All the way down, save. And a very important part is during the setup, we were supposed to remove everything on top, which allows this to stay perfectly as it is. So there you have it. Now you have a glass home screen using the normal Samsung widgets and folders. No separate widget application, no fake widgets, and no need for rebuilding your whole phone using another launcher. The secret is simple. Set up your home screen first, create the glass version from the screenshot, and remove the real widgets and folders backgrounds. The result is a home screen that looks exactly like this, as if it's completely made of glass, while everything works normally. So let me know in the comment section if you want me to create another version of the setup, maybe a dark glass version, a neon version, a metallic version, a wooden version, or fully transparent ice style version. And if you missed my glass widgets video or the glass quick toggle panel, please check the top right corner here in the card. you should find it there. But without wasting much time, don't forget to hit the like, smash the subscribe button to come back for more, hit the bell notification icon so you don't miss out any video that I post. On that note, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.